Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ganyesu Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a high converting product landing page. So the thing is, when you are running an advert on Instagram or on TikTok, you want to send them a link, and you want to send them that link must send them to the part of the website where you have the highest chance in getting a viewer, turning a viewer into a customer. So in some cases, you might have an ad running that sends people to your home page, but in most cases, you're going to be sending them to a product page, especially if you're drop shipping one specific product. So what we have here is a very highly converting product on this website seller. And the first thing that I want to just show you is look at the high quality images. So you want to have high quality images. So you can see you can get some images from with a white background on Alibaba or whatnot. But if you can have the product on hand before you sell it online and take some high quality product photos with a nice background, it will really make the customer or the visitor on your website feel more comfortable to buy. So that's the important point that I wanted to make. So the better the quality picture, the better the chance that the viewer will become a customer. Second thing is the description and the copy. It's very, very important that you are engaging. So as we read from this website, this is our premium gold leaf ear cuff from our latest collection, which is for someone looking to try new and out of the box looks. This cheek ear cuffs are bolder than the simple earrings you wear every day. Style them with your attires to create a bold statement look. See, so very descriptive. They're letting you know that this is from the latest collection. Um, if someone's looking for something new and out of the box, they're really suggesting this. And then as you scroll down, you see there's a video. So if you can get a video from Alibaba or AliExpress, I'll show you how to embed it onto your product page over here. And then as you scroll down, you can see the different payment gateways here. This is for four-part payments. If you've got a very expensive product and you want your customers to be able to pay on credit, maybe I'll do a video on that later. And then this is very important. These are what we call trust badges. So trust badges essentially just lets the customer know that your product is guaranteed, that it allows different payment portal gateways and all that. So I'll show you how to upload these and show you what plugin to get. And then what we have here is to create some scarcity. So the limited stock sale ends, got 10 days here, and then also if you want to just show how many items left. So I'll show you how to create scarcity on your product page. And then if you have a look here on the left, it also shows some social proof, just to let people know like who was the last person to purchase from your website, which is good, which creates a fear of missing out from the customers that come in. And you can see all the different products are being shown here. So I'll show you how to upload that. And then if I click this, we'll also show how many people are viewing this product and everything. So these numbers can be real or they can be generated, but I will show you how to use all these tools to, one, create social proof to show that other people also buying from your website. Number two, to create scarcity to let people know that there's a sale happening or you have limited amount of stock. And essentially you'll have to figure out if you have your own copy ready to embed with the product. Ensure that you have the product photos. Now that we're back to our website, what we want to do is we want to go to the plugin over here. You're going to click add new. And what we're going to search for is single product page customizer. So when I click this one on the left, you will begin to install. You're going to activate. Once you've activated, you should see the plugin, and you're gonna go to under WooCommerce, and you're gonna go single product page customizer. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add new position, and we're gonna look for WooCommerce before variations form. So you want the badges to show up before people select what variation of the product will they be buying from your store. So WooCommerce before variations form. And then what you want to do is that you want to go download the trust badges from Google. And then you can just add media. So you first go into Google and just search trust badges, and then you just upload the files here. So I'm going to upload about 2 trust badges here. Okay, now you just insert them to a post. So it should look like this. So this will show up above your variations form on your product page. So all we got to do is click update. And that is it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to download another plugin just to create some scarcity on our products. We're going to go back to plugins. We're going to go add new. And the plugin we are searching for is called repeating, I think. Oh, there we go. Make sure you select this one. It's just install now. And you activate. And what you got to do, you're going to go to Let's Connect. Once you've signed up and registered, you should be on this page, yeah? So what is your website platform? WooCommerce. What is your website domain? All you got to do is add shop. Now I should be taking you to all the different apps. So most of these are free. So we're only going to work with the free plugins here. So the first one we probably want to get is the countdown cart. You just click get app. And then what you also want to do is get the sales pop. So you just click get app. And then you're going to click with the sales pop. We got the countdown. Get the mobile converter as well. So you're going to get the app, mobile converter. And then if you want to, you can get the boost sales. Just get app. So now we are in the sales pop area. So this is just a dashboard, just to give you a look and feel after you've selected to add. So this is where you go. So that's the dashboard. It's the notifications. If you want to add custom notifications, you can add them here. So this is will pop up on the side of your website from time to time. If you want to design it, you can design whether you want to have a square or circular, and then you can go to settings. So you can just click around and play around here, and then you can just read through this and toggle. And if you want to go and see the other apps that you downloaded, all you got to do is just click this box and just click view more, and then use your countdown timer. So you're going to go click open. Now you wear your countdown timer dashboard. Just so I'm just going to scroll down. So the duration, you can choose the number of days. You can reset the timer. You can go fixed countdown timers for all products, or you can say show different countdown timers. So it's literally up to you to show different countdown timers on all your different products, or you can do it a one standard countdown timer for all your products. And then this is where you end the text. It's saying maybe Black Friday sale ends soon. And then what we have over here, you can choose the layout of the timer. And then just click here just to view the widget setting. So what I'll do is I'll go straight to the stock countdown timer. So if you have a limited inventory and you want to showcase that, or you want to let people know that you have very limited inventory, just to make it seem that your stock is flying out. You can see no items left in stock. You can click that so you can actually track the inventory that you put in each product, or you can just unclick this and make it random, and you can choose between 10 to 40. So that's how you do the stock. So I've showed you the social proof, I've showed you the countdown and the stock. Let's click the social proof tab here. So this will show you the popularity of your products. So when it says 1,000 people have viewed this, or this product, 200 people have bought, so this is where you go for social proof. So down, and then we're gonna just go mobile app, a mobile converter. So this is probably gonna be the sticky header that just comes down. So what's nice about this? It actually tracks the amount of money that it converts for you. Conversion driver. So that's how the preview looks like if you want to set it up. So that's basically how you set up your scarcity and your trust badges on your website. Thank you so much. And I think in the next video, we'll probably hop on to how to connect Facebook account onto your website and just generate a pixel.